Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all must be doing very good. So welcome to this amazing platform of Unknown Gyan, and in today's video we will discuss and even understand the 10, no, 20, no, 30 unknown and interesting facts about eyes. So though we take it for granted, the miracle of vision is one of the greatest gifts we have just by virtue of being members of the human race. Our eyes are one of the most fascinating and complex parts of the body. Well, did you know that the eyes themselves are not what actually allow you to see? They are simply a conveyance for messages sent from the brain via the optic nerve. And similarly, did you know that the only 1/6 of your eye is even visible to the outside world? Only 1/6. And our eyes are comprised of more than 2 million intricately connected working parts. Even though we use our eyes during the majority of our working hours, there are a number of fun and interesting things you may not have realized about your eyes and how they function. So wasting no time, let's get into our topic, unknown and interesting facts about human eyes. So the most interesting and unknown facts about eyes are: number 1. Well, if the human eye was a digital camera, it would have 576 megapixels. Oh my god. Number 2. The average person blinks 12 times a minute and about 28,000 times every day. And on average, you will blink approximately 42 lakhs, that is 4,200,000 times in a single year. Number 3. Your eyes can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors. 10 million, such a huge number. Now the 4th one is that your eyes are about 1 inch across and weighs around 28 grams. Now the 5th one is our eyes are made up of over 2 million working parts. 2 million working parts. Such a big number it is. And just think about it, that you have to remember or you have to learn all the working parts name. It's 2 million only. Now move towards the 6th point, that your eyes focus on 50 different objects every second. 7th, our eyes remain the same size throughout the life from birth to the death, whereas our nose and ears never stop growing. Now the 8th one is 80% of our memories are determined by what we see actually. 9th one is that your eyelashes keep dirt out of your eyes. Number 10, eyelashes have an average lifespan of 5 months. Only 5 months. And number 11 is that the average person has about 250 hairs per eyebrow. 250 hairs per eyebrow. 500 hairs, okay. Now the 12th one is, out of all the muscles in your body, the muscles that control your eyes are the most active. Understood? 13th, the cornea is the only tissue in the human body that does not contain blood vessels. That's really very interesting. Does not contain blood vessels, then how it takes the oxygen? That's also a very important point. We will see that point. We will discuss that point in another video. And number 14 is that there are few people who have fear of eyes. The condition is known as omatophobia. And the 15th one is the optic nerve contains more than 1 million nerve cells. Only single optic nerve contains 1 million nerve cells. 16th one is the space between your eyebrows is called glabella. And the 17th one is eyes heals quickly with proper care. It only takes about 48 hours for the eye to repair a corneal scratch. Now 18th one is it is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Try it. 19th one is that the human eye only see 3 colors, that is red, blue and green, and all other colors are combination of these colors. Now move towards the 20th point. Only 1/6 part of your eyeball is visible. Now the 21st, that is the average blink lasts for about 1/10th of a second. That is, a blink typically lasts 100 to 150 milliseconds. 22, in the right condition and lightnings, human can see the light of a candle from 1.7 miles away. Such a long distance it is. Number 23, your eyes are comprised of rods and cones, and rods allow you to see shapes while cones are responsible for detecting and deciphering colors. Number 24, your eye is the fastest muscle in your body. That's why it is most active. Hence the phrase, in the blink of an eye. Now the 25th one is that your iris, that is the actually colored part of your eye, has 256 unique characteristics. Your fingerprint has just 40. 26th number, that eyes are the second most complex organ after the brain. 27th, well, you see things upside down. It's your brain which turns the image the right way up. 28th, you actually see with your brain, not your eyes. Your eyes functions like a camera and capturing light and sending back to the brain. So say thanks to your brain too. Now 29, that a newborn baby will cry but not produce any tears. Babies do not produce tears until they are around 6 weeks old. Last one, that is the 30th. While a fingerprint has 40 unique characteristics and an iris has 256, this is why retina scans are increasingly being used for security purpose. Now you know the reason of this. So that's all about some crucial and unknown facts about eyes. Hope you like this video and we'll see you soon in the another video. Till then, just stay tuned with me. However, if you have any doubt or any query regarding to this video, please do comment in the comment box given below. For more interesting and related videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do like and share among your all friends. Have a nice day and take care. Bye-bye.